Beautiful. Hello everyone and welcome back to rēઃakSH. My name is Ovela and today I will be reacting to another Kiyu performance on the singer, and the title of the song is Fish and Bird. And trust me when I say that if my patron, hadn't told me the title of this song, I would not be able to know, because it is completely written in I think Mandarin. So I would have no way to know the title. And like you must have figured it out by now, this is a patron powered video. So let's check it out. Let's go. Love the purple color. The birds at sea. Sounds like birds at sea. It's weird, but Kiyu's music, every time I listen to it, I have the sensation that it's not made for entertainment purposes. It's meant to heal the listener, to take the listener in a journey so that they could heal and reflect. It's so weird. That's the feeling that I get. Beautiful. Just when I was gonna say, ooh, but this performance of hers lacks, surprises, boom, you got the surprise right there. The choir. She's actually singing in English. I can't pronounce that. I love the sound of birds. I really love the theatrics of the show The Singer. You know how they set the mood and the tone of each track with the staging and with the orchestra, well, more like the band. And I loved in this song that they introduced the song with the sounds of the birds, and they also finished with it so that they can really set the mood and the tone of the track, you know. It was very relaxing, you know. It's so nice, and obviously Kiyu is a fantastic singer. You can tell by the way she sings that she is a mature woman, a mature singer, you know. She's not there to just entertain, like I said, you know, just to wow you, you know. She's there to convey a message, to bring peace and calm to you through her music. And we all need that. We all need that. Yes, it's nice to hear music that is entertaining, but sometimes you need to listen to music like this to bring peace to your life, you know, just for that mere 3 minutes, you know, where you can escape. Wow, beautiful. She did not have, I mean, right there is the example. She did not move, you know. She stood still in the middle. She was focused, and she gave us a beautiful performance that was worth listening to. So it is your turn to let me know in the comment section below your thoughts on this song, and let me know also what the song is really about. I know the title, Fish and Bird. Was she really just talking about nature, about animals? I don't know. But yeah, take care of yourselves, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Remember to like the video, subscribe here, and wonderful things will happen, and turn on your notification bell to be poked for future content. Yayayum.